Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see what is NFT and how to create NFT yourself itself. So it's a free of cost only. You can easily able to create your own NFT. So now NFT is the one of the biggest technology in the world, and most of the top tech giants are going to implement this NFT. So the NFT is nothing about a non-fungible token. So recently Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube are going to adopt this NFT technology. So first of all, recently Facebook has officially changed the name to Meta, so that means metaverse. So it is a web 3.0 technology. So actually the world is actually moving from web 2.0 to the web 3.0 technology. So the web 3.0 is nothing but a decentralized finance, DAOs, cryptos, NFT and metaverse. So that's why Facebook's officially changed the name into the Meta. And recent news is that Facebook and Instagram is going to create, showcase and sell NFTs. So this is the recent news. So that means using the Facebook website, or else we didn't know what are the things, so maybe a separate website also. So in that website you can able to create, sell and explore more NFTs. So and the next thing is that, so recently Twitter has officially implemented the NFT technology. So that means in case if you are in a Twitter, you can able to customize your Twitter profile picture as NFT. So once you are customized, the NFT will be actually looks like a X shaped as a profile picture. So this is actually only supported in the iPhone smartphones. So in your iPhone smartphone you can easily change your profile picture into an NFT. And now the recent news is that the YouTube CEO Susan has officially confirmed that YouTube is going to potentially adding a new NFT features. In the recent published, they said that YouTube is looking for a Web3 as a source of inspiration, especially noting that opportunities with the crypto, decentralized autonomous organization and the NFTs. So YouTube is going to use the NFTs in their platform. And one more interesting thing is that recently Netflix has tweeted one of the tweet. So what are your thoughts on NFTs? So what does that mean? So that means Netflix will also might be going to adopt this NFTs technology. So now these are all the most of the tech giants are going to adopt this NFT technology. So now what is NFT? So the NFT is a non-fungible token. So this NFT will actually works in a blockchain, and it is actually helpful for a proof of ownership. So and that ownership will actually stored in a blockchain. So for example, in case if you are having some of the digital content, whether it has a image, GIF, audio or video, anything else, so and it is also supported with the multiple formats. So in any digital content, in case if you are a owner of the digital content, you can easily make a ownership for that digital content. So that is possible using this NFT. So once you are actually having a one of the digital content, means you can easily create the digital content as a NFT. So once you actually made that, means that digital content will actually stored in a blockchain. And after that, if that picture is actually surrounding all over the world, means if any users can able to find who is the founder of that digital content or who is the owner of the digital content. So it is similarly like a copyright. In future, for any digital content, you can able to make a proof of ownership. So that is called NFT. So these NFTs are actually working in the blockchain. So you need some of the crypto wallets and some of the what blockchain you are using, that blockchain coin or token you need to create the NFT. Now let's move on to how to create the NFT. So now here is some of the things. To create NFT, first of all you need a wallet, whether it is a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So I preferred MetaMask wallets because it supports a multiple blockchain like BNB, Ethereum, Phantom, Polygon and what else the blockchain is available. So multiple blockchain is actually supported in the MetaMask wallet. So I prefer MetaMask. And then which blockchain you are going to use? Currently we have only two blockchain. One is a Ethereum and then a Binance Smart Chain. For Ethereum you need a Ethereum coin, or for a Binance Smart Chain you need a BNB token. So for me, I am going to the BNB because in Ethereum the gas fees is very high, but in the Binance Smart Chain you want to use the BNB. So and the BNB cost is also low and the gas fees also very low compared to the Ethereum. Then moving on to the blockchain. So based on the blockchain you are going to use, you have to buy some of the value of tokens for gas fees. So once you are actually finally creating that NFT, you have to pay the gas fees. So for that, which blockchain you are going to use, so that blockchain coin should be available in your wallet. And the fourth step is that what digital content you are going to use, whether images, audio, GIF or video. So let's decide what digital content you are use. So that's your wish only. So in case if you are some of the artwork like that, means if in case if you are having some of the painting work, means you can decide that. And after that, finally, in which market place you are going to create a NFT or mint a NFT, and you are going to sell the NFT. So for me, I am choosing the Binance. So Binance is the #1 world cryptocurrency exchange, and they are recently launched the NFT marketplace. In that NFT marketplace, you can able to buy, sell, and explore more NFTs. So in case if you are having any doubts in creating a wallet or buying your tokens, or so which blockchain you are going to use, so for that you can comment in the comment section. Then we can able to create a more contents in the upcoming days. So now create a NFT. So actually there is a 3 marketplace. One is a Bakery Swap, and then a treasureland.market, and then a third one, this is the Binance marketplace. So this is the website called featured.market. So this is the NFT marketplace developed by Binance. Now once you have actually entered this website, so on the top right here is the option called connect wallet. So you have to click on that, and before that you want to install the wallet. For example, in case if you are using MetaMask, means just install a MetaMask plugin in your Chrome browser, or else you want to install the MetaMask application in your Android smartphone or iOS smartphone, like that. So after that, so once you have actually finally created a MetaMask wallet, so in the connect wallet here is the option called MetaMask, and there are also multiple wallets, Taurus, Binance Smart Chain, Trust Wallet, like that. So I am having a MetaMask wallet, so I have clicked on the MetaMask. So after that, once the wallet is actually finally connected, so here is the option called create. Just click on the create, and here is a 2 option. One is a create a new collection and mint an NFT. So create a new collection means, so it is a set of collection, so it's like a categories, and the mint and NFT means it's a separate NFT. I am going to click on this mint on NFT. So once you actually click on this, so here is the some of the options. So in the title, so I am giving the title, so like tech and tech, and then iPhone picky. And after that, in the description, so in the description, so I am just typing like that. You can describe any description, and after that some of the external link. So I have given my channel link, and after that the community selection, so which community, and royalty. So in case if you want, in some of the users will buy your NFT, and in case that user sell that NFT to other user, means you will get some of the royalty percentage. So just I am giving a 5%, so up to 50% you can give the royalty percentage. And NFT type, so it's a image type, and then category, so it's a photography. So after that, here is the option click to upload. So you want to upload your digital content here, so whether it's JPEG or any image format. So I have given the NFT type as image. In case if you are having a video, means you want to select a video, audio, or animated GIF, like that. So I am going to now select one of my picture. So I am now just uploaded my own pictures, and I am going to create a NFT for my picture. Now this is the picture I am going to create an NFT, and after doing all these things, so just click on this mint NFT. So and that's it. Now you have to so some of the cross checking you have to make before proceeding, and after that click on the proceed. So once after proceeding, you have to confirm the transaction by confirming in a MetaMask wallet. So I have already told that there is a gas fee. So for in case if you are using a Binance Smart Chain, means so there will be a 0.00165 BNB you should be pay as a gas fee. So that is approximately might be around one or under $1 only. So it's a very small amount only. So you have to just click on the proceed, and or else you have to click on the confirm, and after that the NFT will be minted and featured on the featured market. So once it successfully minted means, and after that in your section, so you'll get a dialog box like minting a NFT on featured market completed. So that means now you have successfully created an NFT. So now you want to go to your profile section, and here is the my NFTs. So under the my NFT, so here is the NFT. So this is my NFT tech and tech wiki. So here is the option under the option called creator and owner. So there is a specific address for that. So every time so I can now able to list this NFT in some of the marketplace. What are the details we have initially given, so that is actually given here. And you can also sell this NFT. So you can just click some of the price, fixed price or some of the price, and BNB. So for example, I am giving a 1 BNB and list NFT for sale. So for that also you want to confirm the transaction. So you want to pay gas fees for every procedure. So after that the NFT will be approved for sale. Now here is a listing NFT for 1 BNB is completed. So now that's it. Now I am actually created my own picture as an NFT, and I am listed this NFT in the NFT marketplace for 1 BNB. So that means 400 USD dollar, or for example in India rupees it is almost 35,000. If some user actually buy my picture means I'll get 1 BNB in my wallet. So this is the thing, and so this is how the NFT marketplace will actually works. So for example, you will have a separate a unique digital content. So in case that content will actually someone buys means you will get that some amount you are actually caught. So like this only in future. So Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube will all works in this format only. For every content we are creating digitally, so that content will be purchased by some of the user if he likes means. So you will get paid for that content. And also one more thing is that for that content you will get a ownership for that content. So this picture, so I am the ownership for this NFT. So this is how you can easily create multiple NFTs. So and you can list your NFT according to your price like that. So currently I have created the NFT in the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. So the token ID, so something, all this has been listed. So if any user buy means I'll get 1 BNB. So that's it. So now this is how you can easily create your own NFT. In case if you are a digital content maker means you can create your own NFT and list in the NFT marketplace. If someone interested means they'll buy your NFT, and you will also get a ownership proof. So in this way you can able to earn some of the things with this NFTs. So this is the future of NFT in Web 3.0 technology. If you guys want some more content related to this Web 3.0 technology means let me know in the comment section below. And that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.